Okay, here I have an outlet tester. I'm going to take and plug the outlet tester into this receptacle right here, and it is showing correct wiring. If you look at the index for this outlet tester, the light on the left and the right and the blank in the middle is correct wiring. Now, let's take and plug it in to this receptacle. Again, it shows correct wiring. Same indications, it says correct wiring. And that's why these bootleg ground receptacles are wired this way, is to fool inspectors. There is another test though that you can quickly do with an inexpensive piece of equipment, the Fluke 1AC voltage detector. This Fluke 1AC voltage detector has a sensitivity range from 90 to 1000 volts AC. If you use a different voltage tester with a different sensitivity range, the test won't come out the same. I'll put it in the hot slot. That's the smaller slot right here. Put it in the hot slot and you see the light goes off and the audible alarm goes off. You put it in the neutral slot, it doesn't go off. You put it in the ground, it doesn't go off. The hot it does, the neutral it doesn't, and the ground it does not. Now let's go over to this next receptacle. Look, it's going off. I'm 3 inches away, 2 to 3 inches away, and it's going off. It goes off everywhere. This is a metal box, and the metal box is hot. Everything's hot. But it passes this test. That's why some very unethical and unwise people might wire the receptacle this way, just to try and pass a test. But you can identify this very dangerous problem with just this simple tester, because look how much different the regular receptacle reacts to the bootleg ground reverse polarity receptacle. The circuit breaker is off now. Our outlet tester says the electricity is off, and I'm going to double check with the voltage detector, and the voltage detector agrees that the circuit breaker is off. Now I'll remove the wall plate and take the receptacle out and show you what is going on in the box. Okay, I've pulled the receptacle out now, and once again I'm going to double check with my voltage detector to make sure that nothing's hot. And you can see that the white neutral wire is going to the brass colored hot terminal. We got the black wire, which is completely incorrect, going to the neutral silver terminal, and we have a jumper going from the ground to the neutral terminal. So this is really bad. It's really dangerous, but it will fool an outlet tester. And no one should ever do this under any circumstances. One danger that this kind of receptacle represents is that when an appliance is plugged into this kind of receptacle, the chassis of the appliance can become hot.